Meaning of Dalit. Dalit. Dalit.
Dalit. Dalit. Dalit is a term used in India to refer to people who belong to the lowest social caste, historically known as the untouchables. These individuals face social and economic discrimination, often denied access to education, employment opportunities, and basic human rights. The term Dalit means oppressed or broken, representing the struggles these individuals face in their daily lives. Despite efforts to combat discrimination and promote equality, Dalits continue to face systemic injustices in many aspects of society, including education, healthcare, and the justice system.